Spooky friends, it's Rachel. Today I wanted to take you guys on a trip to the at-home store to check out all of the new Halloween decor. I'm so excited. I've been literally stalking them all week. This video is going out on Sunday. On Tuesday, I'm going to be having my second part of my two-part vlog for all the goodies that I've been working on for traditions, and that's going to give you guys a behind-the-scenes look. There's going to be a time lapse of me going through the process, how I create my skelly buckets. I hope you guys enjoy going on a trip with me to at home and seeing all the super cute Halloween goodies that are coming out. I cannot wait for Halloween this year. Like, I am so super excited. This fortune teller is so cool. Okay guys, I just got back from going to At Home. I wanted to show you guys a couple of things that I picked up. I couldn't buy everything. There were quite a few items that I really wanted to pick up this year. I had that really neat pumpkin. It's like a pumpkin spider. I don't know. I really want that, the inflatable one. The fortune teller I'm definitely going to be picking up this year. I may pick up, they had that plate with the little witch boots on the bottom of it. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be getting that one. And then they had that little candy bowl with the spider webs on it. So that one's going to be coming home with me. I just couldn't buy everything in this trip. Mostly because I'm getting ready for a bunch of my shows. So this month I'm going to have a ton of money going out for booth rent. So I'm not able to buy as much Halloween as what I want to right now. But later on in the year we'll get some more. The two things that I picked up were, I got this little kitty, this little owl. They were $3.99 each. They're super cute. They light up. And it changes color. And I'll show you guys the what the kitty cat looks like lit up. So cute. So cute. I appreciate you coming along with me on my trip to At Home. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe link below. I'll be doing a lot more Halloween shopping trips this year. I'm going to try to catch every single store the second they get their Halloween stuff fully stocked. So you guys will be seeing some things from Marshall's, TJ Maxx. I'll be hitting up Michael's, Joann's. Burlington Coat Factory is supposed to have some pretty neat Halloween, so I'm going to hit them up too this year. I'll be going to Spirit. So if you guys want to see more of that type of content, just please click that subscribe link below. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next trip. Y'all, like, I'm so bad at vlogging, for real. Like, this is so terrible. I don't even understand. Like, it's not that hard. You just gotta talk to people. Like, I'll get it down though. I'm gonna keep trying until I get it right. Like, honestly, this is really hard, but I'm gonna do it for you guys.